Next, in CSS, we are going to study about background position property. So for that, we are creating one file .html in my CSS folder, and this is my basic HTML code. Here in head section, I'm setting the height of my document's body. So HTML comma body, I'm setting height to, first of all we have to give style tag, and within style tag we can do all these things. So HTML comma body, here I'm setting height to 100%. If we don't do this, image won't be displayed properly. So we have to first set the height of our document. Then body background image, and here we have to give URL. My image is in my CSS folder. I'm taking this image oip.jpg. So I have to write here oip.jpg. Put semicolon at the end, save it, and click on go live. So it had displayed our image, but it is repeating image. So we don't want to repeat image. So background repeat property we are going to use. I'm setting it to no repeat. Sorry, background repeat. No repeat. So now my image will not repeat again and again, and it will show only one image at the top left corner of my screen. Default image will be shown in top left corner of the screen. We can change its position also with background position. And it has different values. I'm giving here first top left, so it will be shown as it is top left corner of our screen. Now I want my image to be in center, top center. Save it, click on go live. Now it is in center. Here it will be top right. If we want to bring my image in left side center, then we have to give left center. Save it, go live, left side center. Center, image will be in center of the browser. And this side it will be right center. If you want to bring it to the left corner, it is going to be left bottom. Then center bottom and right bottom. Center bottom, and right bottom. So this was our background position property.